Good evening. My name is Rajiv. I am going to start part 5 Geography, Rock System of India with question answer series. Let's start. Rock system in India divided into 4 parts: Archean rock system, Purana rock system, Dravidian rock system, Aryan rock system. Archean rock system divided into 2 parts: Archean system, Darbar system, Purana rock system divided into 2 parts: Kadapa system, Vindhya system, Dravidian rock system divided into 1 parts: Carboniferous rock system. Aryan rock system divided into 4 parts: Gondwana system, Jurassic system, Deccan Trap, Tertiary system. Question number 1. Peninsular India formed due to collision of proto-continents: Aravalli, Singhbhum, Darban, all. Correct answer is all. Question number 2. Due to collision of proto-continents in peninsular India was formed river. Those rivers are Son, Narmada, Godavari, Son, Narmada and Godavari. Correct answer is D. Son, Narmada, Godavari. Question number 3. Which of the following mountain was not folding of geosynclines of proto-continents mountains? Aravalli, Vindhya, Satpura, Eastern Ghats, Middle Himalayas. Correct answer is D. Question number 4. India was part of Gondwana land, Grey land, Day land, Home land. Correct answer is Gondwana land. Question number 5. The oldest rock system of India's subcontinent: Dharwar, Archean, Purana, Dravidian. Correct answer is Archean. Question number 6. The oldest metamorphic rocks of India: Dharwar, Archean, Dravidian, Purana. Correct answer is Dharwar rocks. Question number 7. The study of rocks is called petrogenesis, edaphology, petrology, pedology. Correct answer is petrology. Question number 8. Which of the following rocks is floats in water? Granite, obsidian, pumice, slate. Correct answer is pumice. Question number 9. Which rocks solidified from magma and lava? Igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. So both A and B. Correct answer is igneous. Question number 10. Which of the following rock also known as primary rock? Sedimentary, igneous rock, metamorphic. None of these. Correct answer is metamorphic. Sorry. Question correct answer is igneous rock. Question number 11. Which of the following rock is not example of igneous rock? Granite, gabbro, pegmatite, sandstone. Correct answer is sandstone. Question number 12. Sandstone is an example of non-foliate rock, sedimentary rock, igneous rock, metamorphic. Correct answer is sedimentary rock. Question number 13. Which of the following rocks are formed due to recrystallization of minerals within the rocks? Igneous rock, metamorphic rocks, sedimentary rocks. None of these. Correct answer is igneous rock. Question number 14. Which of the following is not example of metamorphic rock? Marble, genesis, quartz, biotite. Correct answer is genesis. Question number 15. Gondwana rock system famous for which minerals? Coal, limestone, copper, diamond. Correct answer is coal. Gondwana rock system Gondwana rocks contain nearly 98% of India's coal reserve? Question number 16. Limestone is an example of which rock? Metamorphic rock, sedimentary rock, igneous rock, none of these. Correct answer is sedimentary rock. Question number 17. Which of the following are the two main constituents of granite? Iron, silica, iron and silver, iron oxide, potassium. Correct answer is silica. Question number 18. Which of the following is made of molten magma? Sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, igneous rocks, none of these. Correct answer is igneous rock. Question number 19. The most mineralized rock system of India is the Kadapa system, the Darbar system, Gondwana system, Vindhya system. Correct answer is Darbar system. Question number 20. Which of the following rock system of India is the youngest? Correct answer is Gondwana. Question number 21. Deccan Trap is the major source of which of the following soil? Red soil, laterite soil, regular soil, alluvial soil. Correct answer is regular soil. Also, regular soil called black soil. Distribution of Archean rock system. Aravalli Hills, southeastern parts of Rajasthan, northeast of India, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, etc. Dravidian system. The rocks of the Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous periods are fall under Dravidian system. All these are not important. Only Carboniferous is important. Vindhyan system. The Vindhyan system have diamond bearing regions from which Panna and Golconda diamonds have been mined. Thank you देखने के लिए. So please like and comment and share. Those who subscribe नहीं कर प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना. थैंक यू.